Micah, where are we going? We're going to Pumpkin Patch?
Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. Today we're going to be going to a pumpkin patch.
Yeah.
He's got it.
Micah, what are those things? Pumpkins, Micah. What I liked at the pumpkin patch was the chickens.
I
Good boys.
did like the chickens and the rabbits.
Micah, there's a bun.
There's more of them.
There's more bunnies?
This place is real nice. We checked out some horses, chickens, and I didn't know they had rabbits. They have like 4 rabbits over there. It's super cute. I love them. We have goats, a donkey, animals. Animals are great.
He liked it. He liked it.
The entire time it was just Micah playing with things. So yeah, it was cute.
Mike, are you a baby lost in the corn maze? Is it a dead end? Alright, we gotta go back.
Welcome to the corn maze, which was probably B-roll right before this, so you know what's happening. But Micah's leading us right now. And he doesn't know which way to go.
Wow.
He keeps on wanting to turn the wrong way.
And also there's lots of shortcuts people have made already.
He knows which way to go. He really does. Is that the exit, Micah?
Definitely not. No, let's go this way.
Nope, Micah found it. Micah found the way out.
Micah.
That's not the exit. Micah.
It is now.
The exit's over here. Come on, Micah. No cheating. You did it! You did it! We're going to choo-choo?
because it's a pumpkin, and because it's very orange. It's got a stem, and those are all good qualities of the pumpkin that I want.
I like, you know how sometimes you'll pick a pumpkin and like one side of it's like really nasty and gross? Well, this side of it is like real nice and smooth instead of gross and lumpy. I like the smoothness.
And here's Micah's. Real cool. Real drawn on.
We do have to carve them today. I don't know what I'm gonna carve mine. I've gotta think.
I'm gonna make it a hole.
Wow!
Yep. Just a big hole.
That was our adventure at the pumpkin patch. Tune in later this week for a Halloween vlog because
Hope you catch that one.
it's Halloween's tomorrow. So, thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. It's on Twitter. See you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch our videos.